Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add Facebook chat to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Facebook chat. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with your Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right then, you will end up here in applications, and you just want to write in search, simple thing, Facebook, and then, okay, sorry. Facebook chat, let's create a widget. And now you have options to go between general, support, and the right bottom you would see it. Let's continue with the template. Now, what you need to do is simply connect it to your Facebook account. You can change the chat bubble and everything and settings, the position of it. And when you got it, click save. Right after do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic Pro Enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And what you want to do simply, in insert widget, you just want to write code. And then you have it HTML here. Let's take it and paste it. And paste the code. Right now, I'm going to preview the change. And voila, on the right bottom, we can see our chat box on Facebook. What I really recommend, guys, is that you can do it when you would go to your pages and like you can do also it in your code, and you can access the code in WordPress, and you can just like not only have it in one page, right? Because when I'm going to click home, it's not going to be there. But what you can do is to add it just to your header. I will just need to theme editor. Was that? Yep, theme editor, and you just add here to theme header. And right here and the body, just edit the code. And then you should have it anywhere, everywhere. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.